Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our April 2018 Crochet Along. This April, we're doing this fabulous Cozi Boho Cardi. It's a super easy pattern to do. It's just double crochet. I will put a link for a double crochet tutorial in the description box below if you need to get brushed up on double crochet before we start. It's an easy project for beginners. I'll walk you through the whole thing. We'll do it together. So it'll kind of be like a tutorial cal. This is just getting ready. I'm just telling you what you need so you have all your things ready for when we start, which is next Friday. Check my dates. April 6th. So try to get all your things together for April 6th. What you're going to need. Super easy. I hope you have everything at home. If not, you have time to go and find it. We're just using regular acrylic. You can use whatever yarn you want. And I'm changing my color every row. Basically, we're making like a solid granny square with a couple tips and tricks to make sure that it turns out nicely because we're making it really big. So I'm using 10 balls, so 2 colors of each is my estimate. I weighed this one, so this was like 900 and something grams. So I'm estimating that it was 10 balls of acrylic. So we will adjust that as we need to. But for now, I am estimating 10 balls of acrylic. So find your colorway, whatever you want to do. You're welcome to just do it in one color if you want to do that also. And you're also going to need crochet hook. You can use whatever goes along with your yarn. I'm using a 6mm. So with this acrylic, I usually use like a 5 or a 6. I'm going to use the 6. I want it to be soft. So whatever, if you have 2 hook sizes to choose from, go for the bigger one. Because it's a garment, you want it to be a bit soft and squishy. And you'll also need a pair of scissors. That's it. We're going to weave in our ends as we go, so hopefully we don't need a darning needle. So that's it. So get your yarn together, get your 10 balls, get your hook and your pair of scissors. So invite your friends, tell everybody what's going on, and we will see you again on April 6th when we get started. Stay hooked.